Hi, in this video, I will work with the iPhone 11 Pro lighting sensor today. I am checking whether the lighting sensor is working or not. Let's watch it in detail. Now you can see that the wire is slightly torn. Now unbind the screws and unplug the wires. Then choose iron solder to remove locks where it is required.
Now, remove the sensor from the old wire with a heat gun.
Now, try to fix the proximity sensor, put it on the board, and put soldering paste. To clean the proximity sensor with the hot gun.
To clean the chip, blow with a heat gun. And clean it with a brush or a cotton bud.
Now, try to fix the proximity sensor and fit the position correctly. Choose a tweezer and heat gun to fit the proximity sensor. Before fixing the mobile, clean it properly with cotton bud or something else. Now, fit all those things that we have unplugged step by step, and have a look at the next work.
It's time to fix and wire plug properly. Again, check whether the lighting sensor is working or not. So, it's working and set. Thanks for watching this video. For more, please subscribe, comment below, and share.